Hindi ka. Kena. Stop. Oh yeah. 2 of jacks.
Now, we'll cut the card and use the 2 kings. Put it in the middle. It's clear.
Kung makaiso man na nuts? Di pa kaiso man na.
Scan. I think your card is no.
Galing mo tol.
It's a red card, right? No.
No.
No, but I sense that it's a low card. Hopefully, it's this card.
Yeah, right.
Watch. Put the card in the middle.
Go da.
Now, your card is just here in the middle. And just a riffle, it jumps to the top. Now your card is simply lost in the middle.
Yeah,